Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about PipeDrive Features, the first CRM designed by salespeople for salespeople. Do more to grow your business. Pipedrive Top Features: Visual Sales Pipeline, Customizable Pipeline, Team Collaboration, Activity Reminders, Segment Leads, Contact History, Web Forms, Reporting and Dashboards, Revenue Forecasting. Enrich your plan with more features: Leadbooster, Web Visitors, Smart Docs, Campaigns, Projects. Designed to keep you selling. Measurable results from the #1 rated sales CRM. 93. Customer support satisfaction. #1 rated CRM for product innovation and user satisfaction. $85 billion worth of closed deals for 100,000 companies. Over 350 integrations. Expand the capabilities of PipeDrive with hundreds of apps and integrations. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.